So what is ChatterPal exactly, and what's the benefit of having ChatterPal at your disposal? Well, if you have a website, blog, affiliate offer, or any page, and you're looking to increase more sales, more leads, book more appointments if it's an offline business, or for that matter, if you're just looking to get better results, ChatterPal is a must-have. So we've integrated features like, for instance, we've put in brand new next generation 3D avatars built from scratch by professional animators. And we've also integrated, animal avatars as well. These are, by the way, fully animated. And on top of that, they are almost lifelike. And I'll show you some examples in video format in just a bit. On top of that, we've also integrated smart chat automation, which is basically not only do you get a 3D animated interactive avatar speaking with your audiences, which means it's going to drive more attention, more conversions and more leads, yes, but also you have customization when it comes to the chat itself. You see right beside the avatar, you have that chat going in, and this is fully customizable, meaning you can add specific text, specific responses, specific flows, and more importantly, you can also add videos, images. Even for that matter, you can collect phone numbers, leads, you can do all kinds of good stuff with it, which was not possible with anything else out there. Now, this is a big distinction between chatbots, right? The reason why this is more powerful than a chatbot and completely different is the fact that the entire system has been built using the data that we've collected with our previous apps like VideoPal and so on, where we've had tens of thousands of users and customers using it and their suggestions and so on. And we had all that data collecting, and one of the biggest things is when it comes to a website, the longer that you keep a person on your website, the more revenue your website is going to get, the more leads it's going to get, and ultimately you'll be getting better results than what you're getting currently. One of the coolest features of ChatterPal is the ability to have logo mapping on any 3D avatar or animal avatar, or even for that matter, specific objects that are part of the animated avatar itself, like a bag, or for example, their shirt, or for example, a notepad that they're holding, and that sort of thing. And that is dynamic, meaning even when they're moving around things and they're shaking and so on, it will be adaptive based on their movements. And I'll show you that in just a second. Here's an example of ChatterPal on my e-commerce website.
Hello, my name is Cami. Thank you for visiting our website. We are thrilled and excited to have you here. We value your time and would like to offer you a special coupon code to get an amazing discount. This coupon code is only available for a limited time, so take advantage right now and grab this special deal.
Now, if you see the bag she's holding, this part right here, you see that part right there? That is the logo that is mapped. And this can be any logo of your choice. You just import the logo in and boom, it's gonna get tracked and also adapt to that exact bag, and it's regardless of what size your logo is and so on, it's gonna resize automatically. And the beauty is you can use this exact technology on unlimited websites, including client websites. And on top of that, we have animated emoticons that will allow you to also captivate people's attention, because you're literally getting a 24/7 chat agent working for you on your website or your client's websites, because remember, we're including the commercial license as part of the front end offer, which means every single user has the ability to not only improve their own conversions, leads, and revenue from their own websites, but also as an agency, get other people's websites, whether it's an offline business, whether it's an e-commerce store, or whether it's even a simple funnel that another business has. They can also get better results than what they're currently getting by increasing their leads, increasing their revenue, and having a 24/7 chat agent work on their website without having to pay any recurring fees every single month, right? And because of the fact that it's for unlimited websites, just the possibilities are limitless. Talking about possibilities, we have to also talk about the great flexibility that is also part of ChatterPal, and that is powerful chat flows that you can build with the app. And the beauty is we pre-integrated existing chat flow templates, but also you have the flexibility to create any type of chat flow that you want, which can be intelligent. It can actually get people to do appointment booking or lead generation, generate more sales, give away discount coupons, and a whole lot more. This is just the start. On top of that, we also have the world's best text-to-speech integrated in close to 50 voices, male and female, in multiple languages as well. So you can target people from around the world. You can also record your own audio from within the app itself, or even upload a professional voiceover that you have from elsewhere into the app. And again, all of this will be lip synced perfectly with every single avatar that we have available, whether it's 3D avatar, a mascot, and so on. And on top of that, also comes with built-in language translation as well, which means, let's say you wanted to create an existing avatar and translate it over into a different language like Spanish, Portuguese, German, and so on. You can do that straight from within the app itself using the auto translate feature that is built in. ChatterPal also comes with complete analytics, so you can track everything from one easy to use dashboard. And the beauty is, with all this data, your ChatterPal is only going to get smarter and smarter over time, and that is going to allow you to get more sales, more leads, and better results going forward, which is just powerful. Now let me show you some case studies and as well as real life offline as well as online businesses that can actually benefit with ChatterPal. Restaurants can use ChatterPal and its built-in themed avatars like chefs and so on to generate more leads, offer special discounts, or even take orders automatically. Dentists can grow their client base by booking more appointments or answering frequently asked questions 24/7 without the need for a sales team or a receptionist and so on. Consultants and agencies can onboard more clients and build their brand without having to be in front of the camera. Affiliate marketers can use the revolutionary live link technology to leverage other people's sites' content to get more leads, sales, and conversions with their traffic for any affiliate offer of their choice. Authors and digital marketers can sell more of their books, courses, digital products, and more by handling objections of their prospects and empowering their customers by taking feedback and analytics using the 3D avatars as well as the smart chat automation. You can also use the built-in green screen removal technology. You can even put your own video or spokesperson video of your choice to build your own brand, generate more leads and sales like you see on my screen right now where I am on the screen. I am actually closing more leads and sales where it's embedding my own video where you can put your own green screen or chroma key video where the software automatically removes the green screen and makes it a transparent video like you see on my screen right now, making it professional, building your brand, and yes, getting you more sales. And e-commerce sites can offer discounts or coupon codes, shipping information, and even customized product recommendations based on actual user responses. Now that you've seen the true power of ChatterPal, let me jump into ChatterPal app and show you how easy it is to create a campaign with a ChatterPal like the one that you see on my screen right now. This is the easiest part. That's the reason why I left it for the last. So let's just jump in and show you how quickly you can set up your own ChatterPal campaign like the one you see on your screen right now. All you have to do is just jump into the app, click on My Campaigns, then click New Campaign, and it's going to ask me select type, whether it's chat and avatar or just avatar only. I'm going to use chat and avatar option. Then we go to the next step. Here we can choose all our 3D avatars. By the way, here's where you have those 3D avatars as well on top, and then animal avatars as well, and the option for green screen here where you can upload your own green screen video or spokesperson video and so on and create a ChatterPal from that as well. So I'm going to just choose one of the avatars available here, and I'm going to choose Cami because she was also in that e-commerce website example I showed you. So we will choose either the full or the close-up. So I'm just going to choose the close-up here, and then we click next after we've chosen. And then after that, we can just go to language and choose a script and then a voice, okay? You can use from any of the ready-made scripts that you have down here, or for that matter, you can paste anything of your choice or type anything that you want to do, have customization. You can start choosing the voice. We have, as you can see, a lot of different languages and different voices in male and female as well, okay? So that is another option. So I'm just going to use voice as Sally here, and then I'm just going to click the button called import speech. What this is going to do is going to generate that text into speech. You can play it once.
Welcome to our e-commerce site.
So you can just preview it this way and then click next. And after that, you can choose color themes for your chat. So I'm just going to choose this one of these just to make it more unique. But you can choose different color options of your own. You can even change the avatar's name to whatever you want to do in the chat window. And on top of that, we have that logo image. This is that logo mapping I was telling you about. So if you click choose and just put any logo of your choice, automatically it's going to resize it and fit it perfectly for that bag. And even when she's moving around, it's going to map it perfectly. So it's almost going to look like it's a real bag and it was actually made for your own brand. And then you can also do this cool stuff where you can have the mirror effect. So if you want the bag to be held in a right hand rather than left, you can just click this one button and automatically it's going to convert that over into a right hand like you see here. And that is depending on where you want to put your avatar, right? If you want to put it left, middle, center, or for that matter to the right, it's up to you, right? You get that option. And then you can select some other options like you see here. If you click next, you can start using the actions. If you click add actions, as you can see, we have a lot of entire chat flow you can create where you can put your own videos in the chat depending on responses, pictures, questions, yes, no, or URL where you can send people to a different page in your website or some other website. You can add buttons where, for example, if they click on that button, they'll land in a checkout page or wherever you want them to go. You can add emoticons like you see here, animated emoticons and so on and so forth. And you can also do other cool things like collecting phone numbers and calendar appointments and that sort of thing that you can set. And on top of that, you can also collect their email without having to build any forms and that sort of thing. I'm just gonna do the easy setup here, which is basically using one of the ready-made chat flows, right? And I'm gonna just click load, and it's gonna load us a ready-made chat flow. So you can change the name. So I'm gonna change it over to Cami, and then once you've done that, click save. And boom, it's ready to go. And you can add any of these extra actions right here based on what they say or do. For example, they say, yes, do this, no, do that, and I can extend it even further as well. Okay, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to click next, but you can customize it to your heart's desire. And in the very next step, you have the positions where you want your avatar to appear, left, middle, or right. I'm just going to leave it at right. And if you want specifically where you want it, you can also adjust it even further to make it perfectly where you want it to appear based on adjusting these numbers. Then you have other options like play once per visit, which is based on sessions, so it's not going to appear more than once. And you can blackout mode, which would be if the avatar is playing, the entire screen is blacked out, gives it more attention. Or you can show a mute button, right? It's going to show a mute button if you select that, or you can hide the avatar after introduction. So after the avatar starts speaking, you just want the chat to appear, you want the avatar to disappear. You can do that by clicking this button. Or for that matter, there are other options as well, like for instance, attention grabber animation. When you click this, it is especially useful Chrome browsers and so on, where you want it to auto play an animation, and if they click that play button or whatever style that you choose here in the drop down menu, it's gonna start playing with the audio. Okay, so this beats that Chrome autoplay issue for the Chrome browser. So once you do that, click next, and then you can just choose a campaign name. I'm just gonna choose e-commerce Cami, and then you can also put an exit message. I just created a simple message that we look forward to seeing you soon, and I put a smiley face, which was the animated smiley face that you see right here. And then after that, I just click the next button, which is create campaign. You see that instant site domain name option? This one right here is the actual instant live link technology, where you can start sharing these links without having to embed this on your own websites and so on. If you, let's say you wanted to quickly share it in social media or embed your ChatterPals on other sites and leverage other content, you can start sharing this in social media, your email lists, or even any advertising campaigns of your choice. So all you have to do is click create campaign, and I'm just going to click save and create, and boom, you're done. That's how easy it is, and that's how quickly you can have your very own ChatterPal created. And then you can edit any of the existing campaigns later on, and then start making changes if something was not right. And on top of that, the rendering is really fast, maybe a few minutes max, and you're ready to go.